Hello, everyone. The question is 20 divided by, in brackets, 2 plus 3, bracket close, multiplied by 5 plus 6. So here, let's first look at the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS stands for P for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division. D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Here, we see that multiplication and division have the same priority. They also have the same priority. So if multiplication and division appear, we will check from left to right. Whichever comes first from left to right, we will give it the first priority. The second one will get the second priority. Here, we see that first, we will solve the brackets, the parentheses. So here, 20 divided by, in parentheses, 2 plus 3 will become 5. Multiplied by 5 remains the same. And plus 6. Let's solve it further. 20 divided by 5 multiplied by 5 plus 6. Now here you can see division and multiplication are coming up. We'll check from left to right. Division comes first, so division gets priority, then multiplication. Now let's solve it further. 20 divided by 5 multiplied by 5 and plus 6 plus 6. Now 20 divided by 5 is 4. Let's solve it further. 4 plus multiplied by 5 plus 6. Let's solve it further. 4 plus 4 times 5, that becomes 20, and plus 6. 20 plus 6 becomes 26. This is the right answer.